Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Here for MATIC we're also exploring if a bullish breakout is possible, a little bit like on the quant chart, even though a quant looks stronger than MATIC. Yeah, MATIC is nevertheless one of the stronger looking ones as well. And from the low here, from the 18th of June, we are tracking if it's possible. Already told you it got less likely, this breakout, with this strong move down in a wave 2. I just don't like that we have here a 1-2 and another 1-2, especially with the second wave 2 coming down so strongly compared to the first one. It's still valid in terms of a potential bullish breakout. Yeah, so we can count it as a 1-2, 1-2. That would assume, however, that something really needs to happen now. And again, here we failed to make 5 waves. Yeah, only 3 to the upside. You can see that 1, 2, and another 1. So again, 3 waves up. Not bullish. Yeah, we can count it again as a 1-2, 1-2, but there was ideally what we would have wanted was a 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way until here it looked good, but the 5th wave was missing to the upside. And you always want 5 waves into the direction of your high level trend, and if you don't get it, then that means the trend hasn't changed, so the trend is still pointing to the downside. But we can give it the benefit of the doubt that a moment count 1, 2, 1, 2, which would be the bullish count. Then we can count here from the low at 42 cents. We can count a 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4. And now again we are at one of these moments where we need to see a 5th wave to the upside that will exceed 62 cents. Yeah, it needs to. That would be a 5th wave then, and then this in green, yeah, would finish off the first wave of the wave 3 in yellow, because based on this count we've done here a 1, 2 in yellow. We are now in the wave 3 in yellow. The wave 3 in yellow consists of 5 waves highlighted in green, but because this is not long enough, you know, with the wave 3 we would need to reach 80 cents. So I find it very unlikely that this wave 5 will reach 50 cents. So what you can expect is that the target for wave 3 in yellow will be much higher, and that this will only be the first wave of the 3rd wave, which would be bullish. But again, for that it now, exactly now, needs to start moving. Otherwise it will do exactly the same stuff it did before, which is then not bullish and will come down once more, and that will then make a bullish scenario even less likely again. So how is it looking at the moment? Well, you can see we've come down, made another lower low. That is not a problem. We can count a wave 4 as an ABC pattern. This is, I think, what we are seeing here at the moment. So from the low, we came down in an A, moved up in a B, came down in a C. That's fine, yeah, but now it needs to move. Does it all work out in terms of the Fibonacci retracements? We can take a look at that as well. And we can see it retraced to the 50%. Fib retracement, 53.5 cents. That again is a sign of weakness. Ideally, you want a wave 5 not go, a wave 4 not go below the 50%. But even reaching the 50% Fib retracement is pretty much maxing out what it should do, okay? So if it doesn't, I mean, we had a bit of a reaction to it, yeah, okay? But it's not strong enough, yeah? What I would want to see as a first evidence that wave 4 is finished is a move above 59.7 cents. And then, of course, the move above 62 cents will confirm that. But until then, we have uncertainty, and it could very well just be either another 1-2, which then will become unlikely. Then you have 3 1-2 patterns. Not good. That's one thing, or it will just, all of this will just have been a correction. So basically, I'll show you that this is the bearish count, okay? So I showed you what has to happen for the bullish count, and we should not drop below 50. We should not drop below the low here at 53 cents. Yeah, we need to hold it. If not, the bullish scenario will get just much more likely, much less likely here. Sorry. Okay, so moving up here in this ABC. ABC is the bearish count, a clear 3-wave move, and then this is what, in my opinion, would get active if we drop below 50 cents. Well, below 50 we can maybe still give it the benefit of the doubt, but it would just get less likely, the bullish one. I think real confirmation that we are here in the bearish one, or best confirmation we can get as soon as possible, would be if we break out of this triangle shape. You can see that actually the ascending trend line, if we break below that, yeah, official invalidation that this is a wave 4 will happen at 49 49.4 cents, but we will already know before it's not a wave 4 because of the Fibonacci retracement levels. And then from there, we'll probably move down below the wave 2 low at 41.9, and then it's over anyway. Then we're below the wave 2, then you smashed all your possible bullishness here into the bin. So from now, however, how we can see that still bearish, yeah, would be that this here then would have been the wave 1 down, this the wave 2 up, and we're now working our way already in the wave 3 down, then we'll have 4 up and a 5 down. So this is how it would play out, and this would then probably take us here below the low from the 18th of June, below 32 cents. Ideally, we don't want that, because having a coin below the 88.7% fib level, which is the 32 cent level, is never great. But I think that is where we're looking at if we lose here the trend line, okay? And confirmation for that, I think, will be below the wave 2 low. Then it will just become very, very unlikely that all of this is still a bullish scenario. So 41.9 cent level, very, very relevant. And this is the bearish one, yeah. And looking at the bearish one here, those Fibonacci retracements for the wave 2, you can see that the wave 2 retraced to the, where do we retrace to? Well, actually nearly to the high, but pretty much found resistance here at the 88.7% fib level. So all of that points pretty much to makes it likely, yeah, that the bearish one. And as I told you, as long as we are below 62 cents, we have to be in favor of the bearish scenario, but we want to track the bullish one so we don't miss an important move, because that would of course everybody's waiting for a potential breakout. But yeah, again, this one is for me still the more likely one until we break above 62 cents. That would invalidate here the bearish scenario that you see on the screen. Okay, and that is my view about MATIC. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.